These are LEDs, light-emitting diode. They get turned on when electrical current passing through it. The LEDs only turn on when batteries plus minus and LEDs plus minus are same. They not turn on when batteries plus minus and LEDs plus minus are not same. The LEDs have needed resistor. The resistors reduce the voltage. It's depending on batteries voltage and LEDs further voltages. So we need a resistor. When we directly connect the LED to the battery, the LED will destroy. We need to add value to the resistor. It's depending on forward voltage of LEDs. Then connect the resistor in series. Then connect the LED and start the power supply. Then you see the LED turns on and circuit is continuously ongoing. The LED has tiny wire inside. They will be destroyed when too many electrons passing through it. You can see the microscopic image. You have 2-volt LED and 3-volt power supply. Which resistor we needed? Use this formula. Battery voltage equals 3. LED voltage equals 2. 3 minus 2 equals 1. 1 divided by 0.02 ampere equals 50. Now we needed 50 value resistor to the LED. So this is the information about LED. I am Divyam. Thanks for watching.